Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YVR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and the overall chart's still hanging in there, although it is starting to get at kind of some sketchy territory, and that territory is down here right around $3.75. Now, I'm not saying that this is what's going to actually happen, but just to explain why I would consider $3.75, again, not a do or die level, but pretty important, is if the price were to come down to $3.75, and then break down below it, what would that be doing from a logistics standpoint? Well, from a logistics standpoint, that would be putting the price right back inside of this area that it had broken out of. Or said another way, that would imply that the price absolutely made a huge breakout to all of a sudden then go right back to where it was. Again, does that destroy the overall chart? It doesn't, but is that definitely not really an attractive look? No, that's not very attractive at all. However, to be fair, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but and to be, like I said, to be fair, the price is still up above that level, so it hasn't happened. But in my mind, just trying to explain why I would consider 375 definitely a very important level of support. But if the price does decide to start to bounce back upwards, where are some of these areas of resistance at? First key area of resistance in any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, going to be right there at $4.75. And then the next key level after 475 would be up there right around that area at the $5.50 mark. So keep your eye on those couple of roadblocks, like I said, if there is any sort of attempted bounce in the upwards direction. But yeah, in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is just staying above that 375 mark, because you don't want to be able to say that the price exploded, broke out, but now all of a sudden it's right back to where it started. So we'll see what happens with it. Still a couple days left this week, but Thursday going to be, I think, a very interesting and very revealing day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.